Okay, this is a mirror that's unframed. I just wanted to show you the before. And this is after. This is what it looks like. It's a different bathroom, but it had exactly the same type of mirror. Anyway, let's go out to the garage and let me show you how I did it. Okay, what I used was a butt seam. We weren't using a miter seam for this. So basically it just butts up against it. Pretty easy to do. And on the flip side, let's look and see what happens. The way they are joined or is with this type of bracket. Go to Home Depot, you'll see it. They are there. And the reason why I painted the inner part of this frame is to cover this, because it's going on top of a mirror, and the mirror will reflect what you see. So if I put this on top of the mirror, you would actually see these brackets. You could actually see them at an angle, and that's not really a good thing. And what kind of paint am I using? I used regular spray paint, but that did not work out too well. So I can't find the can right now, but I used a Krylon with a primer in it. I think you could use a Rust-Oleum with a primer in it, and that would work out fine. I didn't sand this, I didn't prep it, I just made sure that it was clean, and hope this helps you out. Take care, have a great day, bye.